What's up, guys? It's your boy JP's Audio, JP the install guy on YouTube, and I am working on a 2019 Nissan Rogue. Just got done installing our Viper ds4 remote start right here. If you guys are having some issues with actually pairing your remotes up for the very first time, so I want to go ahead and go over that stuff with you right here. So with this one, it did have the T harness. It is the THNIN5 for this Nissan Rogue. Literally all plug and play, and they're all right here at the BCM. And we're going to go ahead. We already programmed it. Now we just go ahead and need to program these remotes. In order to program the remote, is just a couple steps. We want to close the door and then open the door, stick the key in the ignition, and we want to turn it on to the on position. And then there's a valet button on your antenna. We want to press it, let it go, press and hold. That blue light will start flashing, and then we want to go to our remote. Press it 1, 2, and on that third time, you want to hold it till it goes solid orange. And once it does that, we press it one more time, and then once it starts flashing and then goes black, then repair. So let's try it out. We actually did a 3-lock start with the factory key fob, and that cuts it off as well.